Are you searching for the best fume extractor? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best fume extractor in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR 80 watt 150 watts Fume Extractor Pure Air Purifier 3-stage filters 3-speed solder iron 99.91% purification rate. The 80 watts 150 watt DC motor of the fume extractor creates a powerful 106 CFM 165 CFM airflow to exhaust and purify the air. After using, the smoke purification rate is as high as 99.91%, allowing you to breathe fresh air again. 3-stage filters. The solder fume extractor has 3-stage filters for high-quality filtration. A cotton filter, central HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter absorb all smoke, dust, and harmful gases at work. The filter boasts of pleated design with an expansion area of 2.1 ml, significantly increasing filtration effectiveness. 3 adjustable speeds. The speed of our welding fume extractor can be adjusted according to your work needs. 3 stages speed from strong to weak can meet different working requirements. Only when you has a comfortable working environment you can improve work efficiency. Low noise motor. The powerful 80 watt 150 watt DC brushless motor of the FL180 FL250 fume extractor creates a max rotation speed of 5,800 RPM, 4,500 RPM. In addition, our engine features low noise. The sound can be lower than 55 dB, 63 dB, which quietly gives you a fresh environment. Compact and flexible. Our smoke extractor is 11 by 11 by 19.7 inches, 11 by 11 by 16.9 inches, like a A4 paper size, which is suitable for small solder stations and home DIY. Our metal latches very tightly close the main filter bulk, completely sealed to prevent any leak. There are 4 wheels. Among them, 2 are lockable, ensuring flexible and easy movement.